me take away minute saabta hadalkeeda aydin jilciyo gabadhu waxay tiri aniga hadda muslina ahay saaxiibadeydana Christian waay saa ay tahay wuxuu dhahay diinta qalbiga waay qofku waa inuu qalbiga ka jeclaadaa qof walbana waa in diintiisa lagu ixtiraamaa geemka intay dheelaysay dhan maanta oo dhan waxa u soo qoraysay xijaabo marka qofka qalbiga inuu diinta ka jeclaado waay marka sorry iskaga soo qora
cover her head that she have to have the asubilia no sé mo English yeah mean sentiment with someone she have to want it to do not her mother her dad or you to me I love this one I respect I wanted to cover my body or to cover my head do you know that's my mom didn't tell me no one tell me she maybe they show me I learned it and they do the punishment no just let me talk
let me
talk guys and then you can answer
open the voice I just wanted to understand clear open the voice change the voice
float okay
sorry
yes now I can understand you
fix my queen okay just leave it we can talk to you private too it's okay like I'm saying
okay we talk private okay
Burhan thank you so much just guys
anyway
my Somali
please forget it
it doesn't make
we
sense
talk in private okay
to make her cover her head you want to see her cover
okay
she have to
after the game I will call you after the game I will call you okay
አማርኛ ቢኖረኝ ማለት ነው I swear ስዊድንኛ ቢሆን ልክ ነው የምነግረው ለበቃ ነግራችኋለሁ like
okay
yeah let's go guys
we'll talk after the game
and she ፈልጋለን dude I don't want to talk about actually because it's not first time everybody you people want me to cover my hair but I think it's it's not good to be honest because it's not my religion I'm Christian you guys are Muslims and it's okay I respect you guys but I'm Muslim don't say that anyway you can't ምንድነው የሚባለው ማስገደድ አትችልም ብረድስቱ ሳይሆን እኮ ብረድስቱ እኮ ኖርማል ቅዳት ነው ግን like well I'm learning English I'm gonna come to you okay
and tell you tonight what happened who abused you
who abused you
someone abused you
ኮሜንቱን ክፈቹ ገጂ thank you so much ገጂ ሁላችሁንም እናመሰግናለን እሺ ብርሃንዬ ሁላችሁንም ግን like ኮሜንቱ የተዘጋበት ምክንያት we did close the comments because everybody from your side Jack is coming here and then everybody literally everyone like it's 99% everybody say yeah they want me to cover my hair and I think it's not okay because I trust you but it's not the religion Islam who teach this way and guys everybody that's why my comments and my chat was closed so anyway sorry about that it's okay guys we don't have to play by the religion it's okay. Religion is private oh my God. Religion is private it's okay anyway so oh my God I can't do this Jack we play another time y'all it's okay just nay I saw them do it man they Samri yeah
let me tell you one thing.
It's okay. Let's go.
Let me tell you one thing.
Bismillah. Bye guys. Anyway, I can't deal with this shit. Somebody. Come back. Man, listen.
Okay. And Samara and Amara, let me tell you one thing.
Yeah.
Let me tell you one thing. Orta, according to Somali people, if you read one comment negative in a public, they start to repeat you one more. Okay?
Yeah, we know. Repeat that.
Right now, I texted her in message in Snapchat. Samara, I said, don't read the comments. Okay?
No, it's not about the comments, Jack. If you oh my God, if I could explain to you.
Okay, call me.
It's not the first time. It's not just when she battled you. It's not just when she battled you. When she battled another, so they want to see her cover. They want to make, so it's not about, she have to, if she want like be like Muslim, like me, cover your head. She have to want it. She, you know what I mean?
In the heart.
You don't have to, yeah, in the heart. That's what I mean. Even if she's Muslim, if I'm Muslim, if I don't want it and just make it for you, it doesn't make sense. And you don't have to say, you don't have to respect the person. How he she's Christian and I'm Muslim. She's my best friend, like my sister. It doesn't make sense for me. Her personality, her how she think about me. She respects my religion. I respect her religion. It is private for her. It is private. Do you understand me what I mean? So she see me.
Let me talk
Why
to them.
why you?
أصحابتا. Oh, okay. Take a 1 minute.
That's
Take
not
a 1
okay.
minute. Okay. أصحابتا hadalkeeda idin jilciyo. Let me take a 1 minute. أصحابتا hadalkeeda idin jilciyo. Gabadhu waxay tiri aniga hadda muslina ahay, saaxiibadeydana Christian waay. Saa ay tahay wuxuu dhahay diinta qalbiga waay. Qofku waa inuu qalbiga ka jeclaadaa. Qof walbana waa in diintiisa lagu ixtiraamaa. Gameka intay dheelaysay dhan maanta oo dhan waxaa usoo qoraysaan xijaabo. Marka qofka qalbiga inuu diinta ka jeclaado waay. Marka sorry iskaga soo qora for the sake of respect, okay? Take a 1 minute, okay? Sorry usoo qoro. Ay ceebeynina nin weyna ahay maradu ay riday. Gabadha waxaa waay xusul baruurkeeda falanqayseen. Howleeda maraakiibta ka hadasheen. مفاد واسلا قدودة إذا ما ترى جاوز أويس إذا كذا بحث وبالي.
لمن هو اللي don't use the punishment the religious way. Don't use the punishment with the religious way. Okay. So
let me tell you one thing. Okay, they write you a sorry sister, as you can see. The main problem is I know to my people. I know to my people, if you always focus the positive comment. Even I myself, sometimes they abuse me, and I focus the positive comment because positive comment can treat you well, okay? But if you focus the negative comment, it can come emotional damage. If you
even the gifters, Jack, so I swear, even the gifters, the way you want.
And she's a gamer. How can I control? Tell me. How can
it's not? We don't need to. Islams don't show us this way. Do you understand me? We don't have to push someone to. So if you want to show something beautiful, just be yourself, like the way Islam tell you. Not that this way you punish with the religious. That's not our Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The way he teach us. That's not this way. So just we know. You read the Quran, everything. Respect everyone as humanity. That's enough. And you don't have to be. She don't have to be Muslim to be my friend. She don't have to be Muslim to be your friend. Do you understand me? And I don't have to push her to be me. But I can be myself. You guys, Somali people or my Habesha Muslim or I don't know. But be yourself. Show your beautiful side. Just this way. You don't have to be. Yeah, that's what I mean.
Okay. Yes. Good.
When we do like that, everyone Muslim like that. You know how I'm thinking. I don't want to say everything. But
I got you. I understand you. I understand you. I understand.
So, thank you. Nice, Hamdi.
Okay.
Okay.
Show me.
But anyway, this is my best friend Yao, and then actually she was cooking over here, and she was like, they punish you like this just because of, and yeah. Anyway, I don't care. If you guys take this as a religion, I think it's so disappointed because, me and Jack, we will never battle again, and it's so sad because you guys keep asking me every time I go live. You guys come over to my page and then tell me actually I'm doing good, and then I don't need this negative, this negativity, and it's so sad because I think Jack is a really positive person, And then I know a lot of
Yeah, he
gifters, still a lot of gifters. I know I'm not giving you the same respond inbox. I'm going to say this for all guys because it's so sad. Some of you
Okay.
guys, some of your men, you think it's okay to text